Hiya, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Nanoleaf lights integrated with IFTTT Pro to basically have a progress bar in your house that shows when the kids get up and slowly progresses throughout the day until the kids go to bed, which, as much as you love them, is a brilliant time to celebrate. Now, these Nanoleaf lights we actually use in our house a lot. We use them throughout the day for my progress bar, for my own sanity. But we also use them about 5 o'clock for our 5 o'clock disco that we have in the house. They're brilliant pieces of kit. You should totally go and buy them. That said, let's get on with the applet. Enjoy! So as always, we're starting with the create screen for your IFTTT applet. And so the first thing that we want to do is the trigger. So if this, basically what we want to do is have this run every hour. So we do date and time. So every hour, pretty much on the hour, we want this applet to run. Now, before we go into the filter code, which is the really interesting bit here, we basically want it to go and run some scenes. And so we're actually going to add 4 of these. And it's important to make sure you get the order correct. So Nanoleaf, and then what we're going to do is activate a scene. And in this one, I'm going to make sure I do them in the right order, which is quarter. So you want to show a quarter of it first. Going to go back in here again, type Nanoleaf. Again, I'm going to activate a scene. I'm going to go and pick half. Yep, you guessed it. The next one, we're going to do Nano again. Go and pick the right scene and pick the scene that's got 3/4 full. And then last of all, we're going to go and pick the scene that actually has the whole thing full and is red, because like now they're meant to go to bed. So that's it. So currently, if every hour, it's basically going to go and run each of these scenes in order. So effectively, if we didn't have any code in here, all it's going to do is just basically show the now scene, which is fully red. And so this is where the kind of smarts come in. So actually what we want to do is add some filter code. I've kind of typed it here, but basically what we're going to do is we take the current hour, and so if the current hour is between 0 and 7, so hopefully the kids are asleep, we skip all of those scenes. We don't want anything to change on that light, so we're skipping all of the scenes that we've just added. If it's between 7 and 12 in the morning, then actually we're going to skip scene 2, 3 and 4. Well, you'll notice we're not skipping scene 1. That's a quarter full. That's the one that we want to display at this time. The next thing that we want to do is if it's between 12, so midday, and about 3 o'clock, we're skipping all of the scenes except the second one, and so on, all the way down to if it's after 8, again we're going to skip all of the scenes. And so this basically makes sure that the correct scene shows depending on the time of day, thus giving us a progress bar. I'm going to create that filter. We're going to continue. Is it time for kids to go to bed? I'm going to finish that. And that's it. It's created. So hopefully that's given you some inspiration, and if you've got a Nanoleaf like me, you can go and build your own progress bar in your kitchen for when the kids go to bed. Now if you don't have a Nanoleaf, use a hue light. Use one of these goovy lights. Use some light to kind of show you your progress throughout the day, because you're almost there, All you need is something to give you a little bit of encouragement. That said, let's get on with the competition. So this competition is a chance to win one of 2 annual subscriptions to IFTTT Pro. And all I need you to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and in the comments say what you would do if you had a Nanoleaf set of lights and an IFTTT Pro subscription. And I'll pick the 2 most awesome epic answers and arrange for both of you to get an IFTTT Pro subscription assigned to your account for a whole year. Good luck!